this problems. Okay, so don't worry about that one. So even now you can try on that one. I hope my screen is visible. Okay, please reply by the V on the chat box. If my screen is visible, just you can reply on the V on the chat box. Anyone unmuted, then you can tell me my screen is visible. Anyone unmuted, then tell me is my screen is visible. Yeah, so okay, fine, thank you. So let's we go ahead on that one. This is super node or normal node. First you want to identify. Okay, so here is node 1 is there, here is node 2 is there. Between the two node, if any voltage source is present, only voltage source is present, then only it is called as a super node. Okay, so here is a between, please all of you mute yourself. Okay, between the two nodes, okay, so no voltage sources are present. Okay, that's why it is a normal node method. Normal node method. Okay, fine. So how many nodes are there? VA and VB. There is a two nodes are there. So first, okay, how many equation you will go and write? Equation number 1 and equation number 2 you will go and write. Then after writing the two equation, what you will going to do? So you will going to solve the equation number 1 and 2. After solving, you will going to find out the VA and the VB. That is your main target. So you will going to, okay, equation number 1. Okay, after from that one you will go write, and then equation number 2 you will go write. After 1 and 2 completed, solve the 1 and 2. Okay, solve that 1 and 2, and then you can get for that one VA answer and VB answer. So this is that one. Okay, first one. So write it on that one equation. Okay, write the equation. How do you going to write the equations? You know that one Kirchhoff. Okay, so Kirchhoff current law plus Ohm's law. Kirchhoff current law plus Ohm's law. Okay, VA. So in the point. Okay, so what I said, you will going to assume. Okay, assume the current moves outward directions. So this is the point number 1. So assume the current move outward direction. How many lines are there? So 1, 2, 3 lines. Then we give that one. Okay, I1, I2, I3. So how many? I1, I2, I3. Write it. I1 plus I2 plus I3, it is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. So this is a equation. First one I have write the equation. This is a Kirchhoff current law equation. This is called a Kirchhoff current law. Then what is Ohm's law? I equation. I need I is equal to. If I need I is equal to means what is the formula? V. Okay, Ohm's law. V is equal to I into R. I into R. I need I value. If I need I value means V divided by R. V divided by R. Then now you can write that one. What is the I1 V by R and I2 V by R, I3 V by R you can write. So where is I1? This one I1. Okay, fine. Okay, write that one VA. Then I want to write VA minus, okay, open the bracket, source. What is my source? If it is my source is a plus or minus, my source is a minus. It's starting from the minus. So minus 6. Minus 6. Okay, divide by R value. What is R value? This is the R value. What is R value? 10 ohm. Then write the 10. Okay, write the 10. Then plus I2. Where is I2? This is a downward directions. Then VA divided by 30. Write it. VA divided by 30. Then plus. Okay, I3. This is the I3. I3. Okay, where it is going from VA to VB source is there. Then write VA minus VB divided by what is the ohm value? 15 ohm. Then write the 15. So neatly write 15. So that's all about the equation number 1. So that's all equation number 1 is I found. But what I'm going to say, okay, here is a VA is there, VB is there. Write it on separately. Okay, you will go to the next 2 step and 3 step. You will go to write it neatly. Then what is there here? First one, VA minus into minus 6. Okay, VA minus into minus 6. So what is that one? VA plus 6 you will going to get. Correct or not? VA plus 6. divided by 10. So 10 means here I will going to write 10 and here I will going to write the 10. Then after that, what is there? So V remaining terms you will going to write VA divided by 30 plus VA divided by 15 minus VB divided by 15. VB divided by 15. It is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. Okay, still the equation you need to separate. Where is the VA? So here is VA, and what is this one? VA only. So VA. Then you write it. So here I will going to start VA. Open the bracket. 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 10, 1 divided by 30, 1 divided by 30 plus 1 divided by 15. Close the bracket. What about VB? How many VBs are there? Only one VBs are there. What is the VB? Minus VB divided by 15. Then what else is there? 6 by 10 is there. 6 by 10 is a plus 10. You can move on the opposite side. Minus 6 divided by 10. First, before you will go to move opposite side, what is the answer? You tell me 6 divided by 10. 6 divided by 10 is 0.6. So plus 0.6 is move opposite side minus 0.6. 0.6. So this is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1 is completed. So I have finished the equation number 1. So keep it. Put the box. So put the box. Okay. Let's. Okay. Start further. See, before completed, you can simplify. This is a value also. 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 30 plus 1 divided by 15. What is the answer? VA into 1 divided by 10. 1 divided by 10. Okay. 0.1. So the answer is a 0.1 plus 1 divided by 30. 1 divided by 30. First one, what is the 1 divided by 10? So 10 means 0.1. Okay. 1 divided by 30. 30 only or not? Yes, 30. So 0.03 plus 1 divided by 15. The answer is a 0.066. Okay, close the bracket. Minus 1 divided by 15. What is the answer? 1 divided by 15. Answer is a 0. Minus. Okay, 0. Okay, 0.66 BB. It is equal to minus 0.6. So you can add these all the value and tell me in one values. So take it on 0.1 plus 0.03 plus 0.0. Okay, 66. What is the answer? 0.106. VA. So what is that one? 0.106 VA minus 0.066 VB. It is equal to minus 0.6. So this is the first equation. Final first equation. Simplified first equations. So you can do the one. Similarly, let's we go to that equation number 2. Similarly, let's we go to the equation number 2. I would like to change the colors for your better understanding. So I would like to take the green color. Is it visible? Okay. Then, so first, what is the step you want to do? So in the node, VB node, all the current assume moves in the outward directions. Yes. Then give the numbers, your wish. Either you can start with that one first number or the earlier number. That is your wish. Okay. I would like to start with that one as usual. 1, 2, 3. What is that one? 1, 2, 3. Then I will go and write because only 3 lines. I1 plus I2 plus I3. Actually, these are the steps I need not to write. For your understanding purpose, I will go to write. Then what is that one? Kirchhoff current law is written. Then Kirchhoff current law is written. Then next one is a Ohm's law. Ohm's law means I is equal to V by R. I need to implement. Okay, where is that one? Directly I will go. Where is I1 considered? This is a point I can consider. Then VB minus VA, because my node is starting point is VB. So VB, write down VB minus VA divided by, what is that one? Divided by 15. Okay, plus, that is I to consider this downward direction. Then VB divided by 45. VB divided by 45. Okay, then I3. Where is I3? So I3 is my same directions. So same direction means plus. Okay, 0.6. So I don't want to substitute V by R. Why I don't want to substitute? Because directly current value I got it. I3 0.6. I will go and write. That's all. Over. Okay. Hereafter further you will going to simplify. You can do. What is that one? What is this one I have written? VB. See, writing by mouse is complicated. You will going to write it clearly. Okay. So how many VBs are there? This VB and this VB is there. Then I will go to directly 1 divided by 15. What is answer? Take your calculator. Tell me. Take your calculator. Okay, it's a very science. Okay, so what is that one? See, first I want to write this one. So 1 by 15. So 1 divided by 15. What is answer? 0.066. So write it minus. Here minus is there or not? First I want to write about the VA. So G minus 0.0066. Okay, 66 VA. Okay, VA. Then what is a VB? Okay, VA. Okay, VA. Then VB 1 divided by 45. Okay, 1 divided by 45 plus 1 divided by 15. So take it. Okay, 0.066. Okay, keep your mind. Then 1 divided by 45. What is the answer? Okay, this is the answer. 0.022 plus 0.066. Okay, 6. Okay, what is the answer? My answer is 0.088. 0, right? Plus. Why plus? Here is a plus. Here is a plus. So 0.0888. 1, 2, 3, and VB. It is equal to, I want to move this 0.6 in opposite side. So minus 0.6. That's our final equation of that is second equation is completed. So put it on the box. So next step is that even if you have calculator, it is very easy to, you will going to find out what is the VA and the VB. What is a VA and a VB? Okay, if you don't have calculator, then you will want to solve. Okay, so you have the two equation is completed. The next one, I want to solve these two equations. Okay, I want to solve these two equations, but how to do, because I don't have the space. So I want to take a screenshot, but so please all of you note down that the equation number 1 and the equation number 2. So please type on the equation number 1 and the equation number 2 on the chat box. So please type the equation number 1, this is the equation number 1, and the final equation and the equation number 2 on the chat box. Type it on the chat box. Write the full equation on the chat box. Write the full equation on the chat box. Okay. So what you want to do means, okay, in the equation number 1, multiply. Okay, I want to change the colors for your understanding. Okay. That color I will take. So in the equation number 1, you will going to multiply 0.066. You will going to multiply. Equation number 1, you will going to multiply 0.066. You will going to multiply. In equation number 2, what you will going to multiply means you will going to multiply 0.106. That's all. So you will going to multiply. So in the equation number, why do you want to interchange to multiply means then only first equation it will going to match. If you're going to match the equation easily, you will going to cancel. So that's why I will going to say to, okay, multiply. This is the easiest method. 0.066 is there. So multiply this, take this term and then multiply on the first equations. How do you multiply? Okay, I will going to try in that place. Okay. Okay, so I want to take 0.066. Take my calculator, 0.066. So this is the value I took, and I want to multiply on the first equation. First, what is that? Multiply with 0.106. What is answer? 0.006. Okay, 006966. Write it answer. 0.00006. 996 VA. Then what is there? Further V minus is there. Then multiply this one. Okay, 0.066. What is 0.00? This is commonly we are multiplying. Multiply with what is the term available? The same term available. 0.066. What is answer? 0.0043. Okay, 0.0.00436 PV. It is equal to minus is there. Okay, minus 0.6 available. Then what you want to multiply? 0.066, because commonly I want to multiply 0.066. Multiply with 0.6. Answer 0.0396. 0.0396. 396. So first equation I have multiplied this answer and completed. Similarly, second equation I want to take, multiply 0.106. So multiply with these three terms. So take it 0.106 multiply. What is the term here? 0.066. Answer 0. The same answer is coming or not? The same answer is coming. But here is what is sign is there? We can write minus sign is there. 0. Calculator you can see what is answer. 0.006. Okay, 996 VA. Okay, then here what is there? Plus sign is there. Write the plus sign. Then what do you want to multiply? This one 0.106. 0.106 multiply with this one. Okay, what is this one, sir? 0.0888. What is the answer? 0.0094. 0.0094. Okay, 9 neatly you can write 9412. 12. What is the further there? VB is there. It is equal to minus sign is there. Minus sign you can keep it. Then you can as usual you can next to the 0.106 multiply with 0.6. What is answer? 0.0630 minus, okay, 0.063. Okay, 63. Okay, now what you will going to, now you can look, do I want to change the sign in the second, okay, so bottom equation? Need not, because here plus sign, here is minus sign. So change the colors for your understanding. So okay, see, plus sign, minus sign, so cancel. Then here what is that one? Plus sign is there, minus sign is there. So take your calculator, write it 0.009412 minus 0.00. Okay, 00. What is this answer? 4396 or 9356? 9356. What is the answer? This is the answer 0.4056. 0.4056 VB. It is equal to, what about this side? Both of the minus sign. So minus, then add it 0.0396 plus 0.0. What is the term I have written? 6 something. Okay. Then answer is 0.0996. 0.0996. So you are getting under these equations. What is there in left hand side? VB. Keep it on VB. This term you can move opposite side. If it is a move opposite main side means divide by this answer. So 0.0 996 divided by 0.000056. 40 I have written. Okay, 00040. Okay, 4056. Answer is this answer. What is the answer? 1778. So if I will going to properly write the values, then my answer VB is correct. So this is a method you will going to find out the VB. After find out the VB, then substitute to here directly, then get the VA. Then get the VA. So this is a method for solving the node analysis. So this is a method you will going to solve the problem on the node analysis. I will going to repeat once again. Step number 1. What is the one? Is the problem is node analysis or super node? You need to find out. How to find out? So whether between the two nodes any voltage source are present or not. So you need to check. So after check it on that one, then you will going to use the formula. What is the formula? Kirchhoff current law plus Ohm's law. Okay. Then first, what you are going to assume? So assume the current moves outward directions. Assume the current moves in the outward directions. So here I have see that one. I have assumed the current in move outward direction. So I will going to do the numbers 1, 2, 3. So I will going to write it on that one. It is equal to 0. Then next Ohm's law. I is equal to V by R. Then I1 in directions. There is a voltage is present. If the voltage is present in the which is sign, okay, you can see minus sign it is there. Then VA minus open the bracket minus 6 divided by Ohm value. VA divided by this one. VA minus VB divided by 15. So like you will going to write, that's all. Then write it on separately A, then write the separately on the B. Okay, like you will going to write on the first equation. Similarly, you can go for the second equations. So assume the current is move on the outward directions. I have started on the green colors. So I have assumed on that one. Then VB minus VA divided by 15. Then VB divided by 45. Then VB same direction, so 0.6. Then I will going to write it on the equation separately. That is VA and what is VB. Then solve the VA and the solve the equation number 1 and 2. How to solve? See that one. So this is the first one. Take to multiply with that one 3 terms. Multiply with the 3 terms. Take this one and multiply with that 3 terms. If you will do that one, first equation, first point is matched, so cancel. Then VB you will going to easily find out. So that's all method you will going to solve the problem. Okay, are you clear about the problem? Can I get your response? Are you got clear? If you are clear, just type down the C. Wow, good, nice. Okay, so let's I will go to solve one more problem for your understanding. Okay, mesh analysis. I will go ahead on the mesh analysis. Okay, see that one, it is very interesting. So many sources are there and a complicated method they are giving. Okay, take it on that one. So mesh analysis. I hope my screen is visible to all of you. Yes or no? My screen is visible. Mesh analysis screen, just a minute. Okay. Okay, mesh analysis screen is visible. Okay, fine. Thank you. So let's go ahead on that one. Okay, mesh analysis. So first one is the circuit belongs to mesh analysis or super mesh. First you want to see what is a super mesh. So loop is there. How many loop are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 loops are there. Okay, 3 loops are there. Okay. Okay. So intersecting the 2 loop, any current source, only especially in current source only, not a voltage source. So intersect here, no. Here, no. So it's a mesh analysis, not a super mesh. First you want to confirm. Then next one is very simple. Assume your direction. Okay, either clockwise or anti-clockwise you can assume, and 1, 2, 3 can do. So that is also your wish. Okay, so I will going to do 1 clockwise. I will going to take 2. Then I will going to do 3. Okay, so very important. You want to see. Okay, so current is clockwise is going. As it is going on that one, which one? Minus area. Enter into the minus. Okay, here is enter into that one minus. Here also enter into the minus. Okay, then start to equation, first equation. Okay, this loop you can take and then you can start to write. So enter into the minus. So it's a voltage. What is the voltage? 5 voltage. 5 5V for example. Okay, 5. Then you can write minus 5. Okay, then after that plus 1. It's a separate, or that one it is a common. It's a separate. So I1. How many? 1. So I1. 1 dot I1, it is equal to I1. So I1. Then after that is coming here. So here also 1 is there. Then 1 into, open the bracket. Then what is that? It is going on this direction. It is coming on the opposite direction. So I1 minus I2. Okay. Then coming to here, the point. Okay. It is also common for the two loop. Then plus 1 into, open the bracket. Okay. He is going on this direction. He is coming on the I3 is coming on the opposite direction. Yes or no? Because we are assumed like that only. So write it. I1 minus I3. I1 minus I3. It is equal to 0. Why it is equal to? Sometimes whatever normally will write is minus 5 is will go to write. If you are very well known means they will go to write it on the 5 on the another side. Okay. In the equation, how many I1s are there? 1, 2, 3. Then you can write 3 I1. How many I2s are there? Minus 1 minus I2. How many I3s are there? Minus I3s are there. It is equal to, this minus 5 is move opposite side, plus 5. This is the equation number 1. Completed. So that's all. Equation 1 is I got completed, derived. Similarly, let's we move to the second loop. I will going to change the color. Green I will take. So let's see. I will go to, what is my assumed direction? Clockwise. My assumption direction is this direction, clockwise. Okay, I will go to start from here. Okay, this is separate. Who is that one? I2. Then you can write I2, 1 I2. So 1 I2 means I2. Okay, minus, entering into the minus term. So minus 10. Then enter to here this point. So plus, how many? What is the value? 1 into, open the bracket. So here is I2. Here is opposite for that I3. So I2 minus I3. I2 minus. Why minus? Because it is the opposite. I2 minus I3. Close the bracket. Again, it is a one more is there. 1 into, open the bracket. I2. Mine is the first one. I2. I2 opposite is the I1. So I2 minus I1. It is open to, it is equal to 0. Then you will go to see how many I1s are there in the equations. Only 1. What is I1? Minus I1. Then write it minus I1. How many I2s are there? 1, 2, 3. Then write it plus 3 I2. How many I3s are there? Only 1. Minus I3. Here is a 1. So minus I3. It is equal to what? This minus 10 is move opposite side, plus 10. It is the equation number 2. It is the equation number 2. Over. Similarly, what you will going to do? Equation number 3, you want to perform. Take the colors. I want to change the colors. I want to change the color. I would like to change into the purple. Okay. Then I want to change this one. Okay, third one I will come in here. Thus it is my coming enter into the minus. So minus 5. Okay. Then 1 into I3. It's a separate. So I3. 1 into I3 plus 1 into, I'm coming to here. Minus I3 is going in this direction. I1 is coming opposite direction. So first I3 minus I1 close the bracket, then here plus 1 into I3. Similarly, I2 is opposite direction. I3 minus I2, it is equal to 0. Then you can see how many I1s are there? Only one here. Then write it minus I1s are there. Okay. How many I2s here? Minus I2. Okay. Then next one, how many I3s are there? 1, 2, 3 I3s are there. Then write plus 3 I3. 3 I3. It is equal to minus 5 is move opposite side plus 5. So that's all. Equation number 3 is ready. So I'm teaching like it's kids, like I will going to teach you, because some student may not get the answers, again may not get get this one steps. That's why I will going to give you spoon feeding to all of you. Okay, those who are the familiar, you can go ahead on the fastly, no problem. So those who are that one average and below average, I need to concentrate. That's why I will go ahead on the spoon feeding method. Okay, so now what you will going to do? Okay, 3 equation I got completed. That's all. So your 80% of the work is completed. Then write it on 3 equation right here. 1, 2, 3. So use the calculator. So next week onwards you are coming, then I will tell you use the calculator. When you will going to say, write it on 3 equation, then you will going to get the answer I1, I2, I3 directly. That's all. Your problem is over. What is the I for the current? So write it, and the unit is amps. Write the unit as an amps. So directly use the calculator to, you can write the answer. Otherwise, if you want to do on the theoretically, what is I1? I1 means formula delta 1 divided by delta. Similarly, I2 means what is the formula? Delta 2 divided by delta. Then similarly, I3 means what is the formula? Delta 3 divided by delta. So like you will go to, okay, so write it on the okay, equation delta 1 delta. Then you will going to find out the answer matrix. Okay, that's all about the mesh analysis. If you are going to clear about that one mesh analysis, type the M on the chat box. So those who are clear, type the M on the chat box. If you are not clear, type the 0 on the chat box. So if you are clearly understand mesh analysis, type the M on the chat box. Anybody, any zeros? So only how many members are there in class? Only 5 to 10 members only they are given the response. What about remaining members? Any zeros? Not understand people's? Okay, fine. So now one is 0. Okay, let's we move on that one. Okay. Yeah. So like you will going to find out that okay, mesh analysis completed. Next one is a super mesh. Super mesh is there. How do you say super mesh? See that one two loop between the two loop intersecting the current source. Current source are intersected. Current source are intersected. Then only it is called as a super mesh. So let's I will going to solve the super mesh problem. Okay. So see that one practical 1 and practical 2, all of you listen, all of you, practical 1 and practical 2, both practical is a okay analysis. So 4 analysis is important. This 4 analysis you are going to learning about the 4 analysis. What are the 4 analysis? What are the 4 analysis? Node analysis, mesh analysis, super mesh, and super node. See, this is one of the main problem from this is from the unit number 1. It will go to ask you, okay, lifelong you want to learn. So know about the Kirchhoff current law or voltage law. They will go to ask you. It's not that is method. So directly they will ask you. This is the main. If it is asking, then you will go to see as usual. Mesh analysis is nothing but a Kirchhoff voltage law. Another one is a current law. You will go node analysis. First point you are going to write, that is a Kirchhoff current law. Okay, coming to that one. Okay, yeah. So in the unit, what you will go to one is this analysis is a very important one on the one. My screen is visible. Yes. Okay. So this analysis is the first one. So experiment number practical number 1 and practical number 2. This is the right you want to write. Okay. Then next one practical number 3. I will going to concentrate about the graph. 4 problem I will going to give you. So every experiment it consists of 4 problem. I will going to target about the graph. Another one of the important possible problem from the unit is a graph. That one it is a possible to come only on the okay. I will going to ask you. Another one is a plus transformation technique. So in the transformation technique, voltage to current source or current to the voltage source, okay, and source reduction is both also implemented. So these two is combined to you will going to see on the experiment number, practical number 3. Okay, so coming to here, okay, so what is this one? Is it a mesh or super mesh? See between the, okay, two loop. Here is a loop 1 is there, here loop 2 is there. So current source are intersected. Okay, so it's a super mesh. Then what is that one? You will, as usual, you will going to assume the directions. So 1, 2, you can give number 1, 2, and 3. I will all there. I will going to assume. So your ways, clockwise you can draw that assumption, or anti-clockwise you can do the assumption. That is your ways. Okay. Then what you want to do here? First equation you will going to write the super mesh from the super mesh. Who is the follower? It's a downward. Either that I1 is a follower or I3 is follower. I3 is opposed. So first I1 only follower. Then write I1 minus opposite. Who is that one? I3 minus. It is equal to what? This is amps. What is amps? 3. That's all. Equation number 1 is over. Who is a follower? Down. I1. So I1 is a downward arrow. So down arrow. So it's a both also flow on the same direction. So I1 minus I3. Okay, it is equal to 3. You will write the first equations. Okay. Then suppose you will going to ask me a question. Suppose my assumption direction also this is anti-clockwise direction. Then you will going to write to the plus. Then you will going to write the plus 2, you will going to solve the problem. Okay. Okay. So first equation is over. Then second equation, what you will going to do? Okay, this loop is a, do you change anything? No. So then this loop is a no change. So write it on the second loop. So what is it? 2 I2, 2 I2. Then next one 4. This 4 is there. Okay, plus sign you will write plus 4, open the bracket, I2. Why? Because I'm standing here. I'm standing here. Okay, I2. Okay, what is my current I3? Opposite direction? Yes, opposite direction. So minus I3. Then plus 2 plus 2, open the bracket. So I2 is going on this direction, I1 is opposite direction. So I2 minus I1, close the bracket, it is equal to 0. Can you simplify the equations? Any I1s are there? Yes, I1s are there. Here is I1 is there. What is I1 value? 2 into I1, minus 2 into I1, right? Minus 2 into I1. Okay, over. How many I2s are there? 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, okay, 6 plus 2, 8. Then write it. How do I say? See here, 2. Okay, 4 is going inside. 2 plus 4, 6. Okay, 2 is going inside. Then 6 plus 2, 8. 8 I2. Then how many I3s are there? The 4 is going inside. So minus 4 I3. It is equal to 0. This is the equation number 2 is fine. Equation number 2 is over. That's all. The next one. This is a loop. I want to go. So okay. So in this loop, remove, because current source is there. So I want to open, remove the current source. If the current source is removed, what will happen? It's a open circuit. So you are already studied. So current source is removed, open circuit. Just that's all. Over. Current source is I have removed. Then write the equations. Write the equations. Then write. So from it is entering into the minus. Otherwise, what you will going to do? Write it on this side. 6. That's all. 6. It is equal to. Otherwise, minus 6. You will going to write. Minus 6. You will going to, otherwise, I will going to move. First, initial itself I have moved opposite side. So plus 6. Okay. It is coming to that 1, 2. So 2. Open the bracket. I1 because I'm standing here. I1 minus I2. Why I2? So here is the opposite direction. So minus I2. Okay. Plus 4 into I. Okay. Who is I am standing? I3 place I am standing. Then I3 minus I2. Okay. plus 8 into I3. It is equal to this answers. Can you simplify? How many I1s are there? Here is I1s. 2 I1. Okay. How many I2s are there? Minus 2, minus 2. Okay, minus. Okay. So I will go and write it minus. Leave it. Then 2. Then here also the same minus is there. So that's why I have written commonly. So 2 plus 4. What is answer? 6. Then 6 I2. Then how many I3s are there? Here plus 8 I3s are there. I3. It is equal to what? It is equal to 6. That's all. So as usual, mesh analysis, 3 equation you have derived. After derived the mesh analysis, equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3, then you will go and write the 3 equations. Then use the calculator. You will go to find out I1, I2, and I3. Write it in that one amps. Write it the answer in amps. Okay. Fine, that's all. Otherwise, what is the formula? Delta 1 divided by delta. Delta 2 divided by delta. Delta 3 divided by delta. So you will going to use the formula either theoretically. So those who are understand, type the SM on the chat box. Those who are understand, type the SM on the chat box. If you are not understand, type the 0 on the chat box. Type the SM on the chat box. Those who are understand, type SM. Type SM on the chat box. Repeat the equation 1. Okay, what is the equation 1? But that is also very simple. I will go ahead on that one. So the equation number 1 is that is that one. So here what is the current source? Okay, here is their current source. Current source is a intersecting between the two loop. Okay, what is the arrow mark is intersecting in previously? It's a downward direction. Yes or no? It's a downward direction. If it is a downward direction, means who is that one follower? Either I1 is a downward direction or I3 is a downward directions. I3 is a down to up. Opposite direction. Who is the same direction follower? I1 is follower. Then write it I1. Who is opposite? Then minus I3. Then what is this current source value? Current source value, if it is a 5 means it is equal to 5, you can write. If it is 3 means you can write the 3. It's a given as a 3, that's why I will go and write the 3. That's all. This equation number 1 is very simple. So who is the same direction? If you are clear, Tusikesh, are you clear about that in equation number 1? Yes, fine. Any doubt? No doubt. Okay, fine, good. So let's we move to that another problem. Okay, super node analysis. Last problem in that today class we will going to see. Okay. Okay, so this is about the super node. How do you say super node? Between the two sources, okay, sorry, between the two nodes, voltage sources are present. Yes or no? Yes. So what is the node? V2, V3, they are given. So between the two nodes, voltage sources are present. If it is means that is called a super node. Then what is that one? We will going to start to write the equations. Who is the plus? Plus is the V3. Then who is the plus? Plus is the V3. Then who is the minus? This is a V2. It is equal to what is the answer? The value is a 3. That's all. So listen, this is a first equation. How do I write? Who is the plus? Plus symbol is near to the V3. Then write the V3. Then minus side, minus V2. It is equal to what is the value? 3. I have written. First equation is over. Okay, then what I want to do? So I want to close the voltage source. Remove the voltage source, automatically I have close. Okay, close. Now you will go and write the second equation as is well. Node analysis, second equation you want to write. So what I will going to do? What you want to do? I will going to change the colors. Okay. So what are the nodes? Here is a V2. See here also you have 2 points. Okay, but it is not a node. Okay, it is a you will going to take it as an J2 junction node only. You can take junction node only. You can take junction node only. You can take. Okay, if you take about the junction node, okay, don't take it about it's a two. Okay, two branches joining point is a node, but it is a normal node. But last time also you never I never explained about that normal node. So take the junction node or principal node. You can take principal node. Okay, take the principal node. Principal node means 3 and above. Okay, so first here what is that one? Here you are going to do assume. So move the current in outward directions. Okay, then after that here also outward directions. See here all first you will going to write it. Okay, both nodes outward direction you will going to write, then you will going to write the equation. I'm standing here, then write it v2 minus v2 minus 7 volt. Why 7 volt? Because it's a plus, that's why, divided by 4. Previously you have solved, then plus v2 divided by 3, v2 divided by 3, then that's all over this time. Here between any resistance are there? No resistance are there, then leave it, that's all. Okay, then here what is that one? So here is v2 means here is v1 is there. Okay, v1, so here is the v1 is there, then v1 divided by, write it, plus here continue, v1 divided by v1 divided v1 divided by 2, then plus v1 I am writing here wrong. Okay, v1 divided by 2, then similarly v1 divided by 6, v1 divided by 6. Okay, 6, it is equal to 0, that's all. Then next v1, where is the v1? Here, then you will go and write v1, open the bracket, 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 6, then plus sign, v2, open the bracket, what you will going to write, 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 3, then minus 7 by 4 is there, you can move opposite direction, plus 7 by 4, 7 divided by 4, that's all. This is the equation number 2. So only 2 equations. Okay, equation number 1 and equation number 2, then solve and you can get the answer. But here I have written, what is that one? Wrongly I have written, what is that one? Previously I have assumed v3. If it is means I want to write it here v3, but so v1 only I have assumed, so here I want to write as a change v1. So v1 minus v2. Suppose your assumption, suppose v2 and v3 only you are assumed means, so v1 place you will going to replace on the v3. If you want to that one, you can keep it, no problem. So take the principal node and then you will go to solve. So 3 and above, that is called a junction, that is called a principal node, and take to solve. If you are cleared, then type the SN on the chat box. SN on the chat box. If you are not clear, type that one 0, or which point you are not cleared, you can ask me. Give your reply. Give your reply. If you are clear, then type that one. E. So I'm asking you to, you can type it on the SN on the chat box. Yeah, good, nice about Pratik and then Rutuja. You are a good observer. Vaibhav, good. Jadav, yes, very nice, good. So any members not understand? You can type on that one. Then I will go to go before I will go to switch over. I will go to complete it. Okay, so that's all about that one. So today practical number. Okay, listen all of you. So this is about the 4 problems. Yes, 4 problems I will going to give you. Okay. So what I will going to give the problems to you. Homework, even practical problem I will give you. Please listen. What is my practical I will give you? So if your roll number is a 1, for example, my roll number is a 5. My roll number is a 5. If it is a 5 means, so all the problem how you are going to take it. My roll number is a 5. If my roll number is 5 means start with the 5 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So give that one. My roll number is a 5. Then give 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So all members you are getting under the individual problem, not it is combined with any other problems. So you cannot copy from anyone. So you will going to do, if your roll number is a 5, then you will your own assumption 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is about your problems. So 11 you will going to write it on that ones. Okay, so like you will going to take your problems and complete it. Clear? Yes. If you are clear or not, so your roll number is like you will going to take it on that ones. So take your roll numbers and then complete it. Are you clear? Yes, very nice. So this is about your practical 2. Actually, you know that one there is a mark is there. So you have the mark for that one scheme. In your this semester, I received the scheme about your mark. The mark you have the 20 mark from the problems. Sorry, not 20, 40 mark. So 40 mark from the innovative problem methods. So this is called own data. So your data is a own data. You never copy from anybody. You maybe copy or you maybe refer the methods only. Okay, that is not an issue. So all members you are getting the individual data. So all members you can complete it. So before you are coming, okay. So this is about your 4 problem. Okay, base. You can, if you are not taking the screenshot, you can take the screenshot. This is about your 4 problem. I hope I will going to make you to understand. If your roll number is 20, then write it from here onwards. 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Wherever you can write, but you can start with 20. Then you will going to start 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So you will going to write it. That's all. So take your screen, take this screenshot. I will going to maximize also. So take it your screenshot. Just a minute. Yes, this is a screenshot of your 4 problem. But use this 4 problem you will going to implement with respect to your roll numbers. Fine, that's all. I will going to in this point I will going to stop. Okay.